Hello, and welcome to Kathy's Eclectic Garden. I'm Kathy, and I garden in Zone 6A in Northwest Ohio. During the next few weeks, I will be talking about plants that you should consider adding to your 2024 garden to attract pollinators. Your flowering plants and vegetables benefit from the pollinators in your garden. In fact, without pollinators, your plants would not produce any fruits or vegetables. In other words, these plants are good choices to add to your garden if they grow well in your hardiness zone. So let's dive in. This week we're going to focus on a perennial that is native to most of the United States east of the Rocky Mountains. Monarda punctata is a fragrant plant with unique flowers that resemble pagodas. Commonly referred to as spotted bee balm or dotted horse mint, these plants are wonderful pollinators. This plant has been used medicinally for humans and for horses, hence the common names dotted or spotted horse mint. Spotted bee balm is a member of the mint family and has square stems. They grow 1 to 3 feet tall with a 1-foot spread. Hardy in zones 4 to 9, they prefer moist to dry soil and full sun, but they will tolerate partial shade. This plant is deer and rabbit resistant and can be planted near black walnut trees. It is not invasive and will not spread all over the area like other members of the mint family. Unfortunately, spotted bee balm plants are difficult to find in local nurseries. You may be able to find them on native plant sites online. The best way to get spotted bee balm is to grow it from seed. Seeds are much easier to find online. They germinate easily and don't require any special treatment and will bloom the year they are planted if you plant them in the spring. They can be a short-lived perennial or a biennial, usually returning the second year, and may reseed after that. I usually start new plants each year to guarantee I have plants every year. My spotted bee balm has bloomed from late June into August. The flowers are a creamy light yellow with brown spots perched above pink or purple bracts. There can be 2 or more flowers stacked on the stem, forming a pagoda-like structure. Spotted bee balm attracts a diversity of pollinators including native bees, honeybees, butterflies, hummingbird moths, hummingbirds, skippers, wasps, and bumblebees, just to name a few. Once the flowers bloomed, my plants were covered in pollinators from early morning until dusk. In this clip, my husband captured a paper wasp and honeybee feeding on the spotted bee balm. If you watch closely, you'll see some smaller pollinators flying around in the background. But that paper wasp and honeybees were having a good time and getting plenty of nectar. And he captured this cute clip of a honeybee taking a bath. Watch closely and you'll see that it even wipes its proboscis. Great black wasps seem to enjoy the nectar of spotted bee balm as much as the bees. There were at least 4 wasps buzzing around the flowers here, and these things were huge. By early August, you can see the bracts are fading as the plants start to die back, but there's still nectar to be found, and this great black wasp is determined to get every last drop. By the end of August, the plants are pretty much done. I leave them standing until early spring in hopes of them reseeding for the next season. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Plant for the pollinators. I'll be back next week. Bye.